Hi Shopify pros, I'm Ryan and welcome to the TinyImage channel. Are you struggling to get your store noticed on Google? In this video, I'll show you how JSON-LD with the TinyImage app can skyrocket your SEO game. We'll cover what JSON-LD is, why it's a must-have for your store, and how to set it up in minutes. Plus, we'll explore our awesome JSON-LD shipping details and return policy features to make sure your store shines. And if you love our tiny tips and tutorials, hit that like button, drop a comment, or subscribe below for more. Let's get started. So what is JSON-LD? JSON-LD, short for JavaScript Object Notation for Linked Data, is structured data that helps search engines understand your store. It organizes details like product names, prices, reviews, and more into a format that search engines love, powering rich snippets, which are those vibrant search results that show images, star ratings, stock status, and so much more. This grabs customer attention, boosts click-through rates, and drives sales. It's like giving Google a clear map to your store instead of a blank page. So are you ready? Let's go. From the TinyImage homepage, the easiest way is to scroll to improve SEO and click Setup JSON-LD. You can also find it in the Setup Guide Step 3 or the left menu under Improve SEO. Now you have three options: General, Return Policy, and Shipping Details. Work through it and fill it in with as much detail as you can, but don't stress on anything you miss, as not all fields are required. Towards the bottom, you have a list of our trusted integrated review apps. Hit Save when you're done and move on to the Return Policy option. Here, you need to fill in the information, hit Save, and activate like so. And if you want to turn it off later, simply click Deactivate. The last page, Shipping Details, all you need to do here is click Add Destination, fill in the info, and save. Easy peasy, right? The last step is adding the theme extension, which connects JSON-LD to your store's design. Click Add Theme Extension here, and you'll land in Shopify's Theme Customizer under App Embeds. On the left, you can easily toggle on and off the JSON-LD that you want to apply. We suggest toggling on all the available options to help boost your store's search ranking ability. Hit Save when you're satisfied, and just like that, JSON-LD is set up, ready to go. And there you have it. With TinyImage, JSON-LD is as easy as a microwave dinner, helping your store get noticed by Google, boost click rates, and make more sales. Now, if you need some expert help trusted by thousands of Shopify merchants, TinyImage has your back. Just drop us a message. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow the channel for more image and SEO optimization tips and tricks. Until then, keep those clicks coming.